This is a 2005 Honda Element, and the aux port is not working correctly. Right now, it's on radio. As you can tell, radio's coming out fine, and the aux is plugged in. As soon as I put the aux jack in, it should switch to aux like this, but as I twist it around, it sometimes switches back to radio, which is not what should be happening, and that happens all the time. And I'm glad it's working as well as it is even now. So what I'm going to do is swap this part out. It's just this aux port itself that's the issue, and it seems like it's a common issue. I read about it on some of the Element forums, and I'll show you how to do that today. This is the part number from Honda. You can definitely get these cheaper on Amazon. We decided to go with the Honda one. This connector has a little tab in the back. You push that down and then slide it out, and then here's the old piece. We're gonna swap in the new one, old one. Pinout is the same, and same part number. This tab is what holds it in place, so just make sure that's seated, not crimping any wires as I'm pushing this thing in. And here's the existing socket. How's that going? It's got a couple tabs, top and bottom. Thankfully we didn't break those. Just give it one good push. Just set this down. Awesome. Look at that. Back in place. Looking good. Now aux as it should. Look at that, I'm twisting this and it is working. Beautiful. That's fixed.